Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my family's favorite steak fried rice. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by making our steak marinade. So for that, in a glass bowl or cup, add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons of low sodium and 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. Along with that, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of spicy sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, along with 2 grated garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix it all together until everything is well combined. And here you can taste your marinade to see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we can pour it over our steak. Okay, now I'm using 1 pound of flank steak. Just make sure that you cut it into cubes. Now just pour your marinade. And make sure to coat all of your pieces of steak. Okay, so once we have that covered, and allow it to marinate for 2 hours or at least 20 minutes. Okay, so here I marinated my steak last night. So it is ready. So once we have that, now we can get ready to begin cooking. But before that, we're going to be beating our eggs. And since eggs are a little expensive, we're only going to use 3. Just season it with a little salt and black pepper. Now just beat it. Okay, once we have it, now we can take it to the stove. Okay, now to a wok, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Set it over high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, add the meat. Now we're just going to cook it for 4 minutes or until our steak is fully cooked. Okay, after 4 minutes, our steak should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. Now we're just going to remove it from the wok. Add the onion. Just cook it for a few seconds. Okay, and after a few seconds, add the minced garlic. Give it another 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, add the peas and the carrots. Just going to give it a minute. Okay, after the minute, add 3 cups of cold white rice. Just allow that to cook. Just allow it to heat up. Mix it with the vegetables. Now we're just going to move that to the side. Add a little bit more oil. Add your eggs. Just allow them to cook. Once we have cooked our egg, just going to mix it with the rice. Okay, we're going to be adding some more soy sauce, hoisin sauce, along with a little sesame oil. Just mix it and return your steak. And just like that, we have a delicious steak fried rice. You could just mix the steak. And just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's quick. The hardest part is just waiting for the meat to marinate, but I promise you it's so worth it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it as much as we do. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good, so flavorful, so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious steak fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.